Hi everyone, I thought I'd show you how I put together my drawstring bags I make. I've been making all sorts of things to sell lately. So just cut out your material any size, depending on what size bag you want to make. This one's quite a big bag. It's a lovely pirate material for a child. So I'm doing a contrasting bag. I could do red or navy, but I like the yellow. And I just pin it down the sides, starting about quarter the way from the top, just to hold those sides. So I find these really relaxing to make, quite peaceful. And then I just turn it down a little bit at the top. I just eyeball things. I don't worry about measuring. You know me, I don't get too fussy. And then about an inch after that. Now if you've got an overlocker or a serger, then you can use those for your edges, or zigzag, or use pinking shears. I've got pinking shears. So when you've done that side and you've pinned it into place, just do the other side. It's really quick. So I hope everyone's well. We're just coming into, or we're in autumn now in New Zealand, but we're still having beautiful sunny days, a bit cooler in the evenings. So then I take it over to my machine and I sew along the edge here on both sides, and then I sew around the three sides. And so I've got one here finished, so you can't really see, but I've got the thread here and I've done the pinking shears all the way around. And so that's just really simple. Then I turn it inside out. Make sure my corners are all nicely poked out. And then just give it a quick iron to make the edges all nice. And then I choose the colour ribbon that I want to go along the top. So I've got lots of different ribbons here. I could use a red or a yellow or a blue. So I'll have a hunt around and see what I've got. So I found a nice blue here for a boy colour. And when I measure, I go out just about that much. Don't ask me what that is. Let's measure. Shall I measure for you? Oh look, I can measure on here. So I go out about 3.5 inches, or 9 centimetres, 8 centimetres on each side, just to make sure that there's going to be plenty to tie together. And I do that twice. And then I just cut it, and then I use that to measure for the next one. If you only want one ribbon on your bag, you can, or you can have two. And then I just thread it up poke it in the end, and then just it pays to have a nice big pin, makes it easier. First of all, I only had a tiny wee pin and it's like impossible. Just pull that through, turn it over, carry it through to the other side. And then you have to cut off the bit of ribbon because it basically destroys it. Cut the ribbon on an angle. And just tie it together. So there's one, and then you'll start the opposite side and go through and do it again, or you can just have one ribbon. So I've also been making cute little taggy toys for babies. So I thought they were really cute, little toys. Never seen them before till I had my granddaughter. So that's how I make my bags. So I'll put the next one through and then I'll show you a picture at the end. So there you go, cute little bag for kids to keep toys in or clothes when they go camping. I make some out of really pretty materials with flowers on for the ladies, and they carry all sorts of things in there when they go out. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty cute. Catch up with you again later. Thanks for watching. Bye.